Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video, and today we will be shooting the Smith and Wesson Victory. This handy dandy little pistol has been a phenomenal little shooter so far. It's got a nice crisp, very light trigger, not much slack whatsoever. It's definitely made for target shooting. Unfortunately, I forgot my tripod today, so we're gonna have to make this work. Well, here we go. We have 10 rounds loaded up. We're gonna take a few shots to see how we do. That's pretty fun. Now, a shooting video this close to Easter would not be complete without shooting just a few peeps, correct? I've been wondering why I haven't been able to hit exactly where I want to, and it is definitely shooting about 2 or 3 inches high from about 10 yards, so I'll have to adjust for that later. But once I adjust for that, brought it down a few inches onto the can, hit those peeps dead on. Now, last but certainly not least, we have a 2-liter about 50-55 yards away, way on down the range. See it at the bottom of the screen, and we're going to try to nail that with this 22 pistol. Well, that took way too long to hit and way too many shots, but something I did find out is not only is it low, but it's also quite a far bit to the left. It's about half a foot off of the left side of the 2-liter. I mean, it's that far. But I'll just have to adjust for that next time. I'll have to get these sights dialed in. I have less than 150 rounds to this pistol. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to share, like, subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.